with sacrifices, hard work, challenges, and victories. Hindi naging madali ang bawat araw nyo sa senior high school. Maraming puyat, ayan, at may mga pa-souvenir na eye bags, at saka dark circles. Maraming pressure. Pressure mula kay teacher, mula kay group leader, mula kay nanay, mula kay tatay.
Tungo nyo sa panibagong yugto ng inyong buhay, yung competence na kinakailangan, lagi mong gustong gawin yung pinaka-best mo, yung pinaka-magaling mo. Yung lahat ng ating ginagawa at lahat ng ating gustong gawin, lahat kinakailangan nasa puso.
The start of something new. We feel the expectation, a new day waiting. Sky full of light breaking through. We feel our hearts exploding, our story unfolding.
Bigyan kayo ng galing na malampasan lahat ng problema at balakid na inyong susuungin sa buhay. Kinakailangan po maging matatag ang inyong katawan, kinakailangan maging matatag ang inyong puso, kinakailangan maging matalas ang inyong isip para malampasan lahat ng problema at maraming problema pa na inyong pagdadaanan para sa inyong mga pangarap at para sa inyong mga sarili.
There's a world of endless color waiting for us to discover. Running to the open wide, where dreamers come alive. We can see a new horizon. We can feel adventure calling. Step out on the open road into the great unknown. Here we go. Wind at our back, our life in